Do you want to increase your income? Of course you do. Who doesn't? For those of you who don't know, my name is Money Mike. I'm a wealth and business consultant, and today I'm going to be showing you six, how many? Yes, six categories of income. Now, as I come to share these with you, I want you to be thinking about what is it that you can do in your finances given these six so that you can essentially maximize your wealth in a short term, medium term, and long term. Now, I'm going to give you one of the six now, and I want you to think about what the other five might be just before I share them with you. So, the clue is employment income. So, we've got six categories, employment income is one of them. Can you guess what the remaining five are? Now, when I sit down with people and hear more about their finances and I look into their financial plan, by the way, which people don't usually have, you should have one. When I look into their plan or listen to their plan, I come to find that there are a number of things that they just aren't doing. And you'll find that to be the case when we look deeper into these different income categories for you and your finances. So if at any point you feel like speaking to myself or someone else in the team will be helpful, we'll be happy to do that. So the first one is employment income. Yes, employment income. But what are the remaining five? So we've got also benefit income. So that's number two. Number two is benefits income. So whether that's from the government or the bank of mom and dad, money that you receive when you didn't really do anything, you didn't work for it as such. The third type is business income. So some of you may have a business, maybe thinking about starting a business. Look, right now is a great time to definitely start a business, but that is another source of income. If, for example, you look at your plan and it looks like you're going to start making money 6 months into your business, look, speak to our team. We'll show you how you can be making money within your first 30 days. Besides business income, there is investment income. Yes, before was a great time to invest, now is a perfect time to invest, and you're going to find that later on will also be a good time to invest, but each point in time has its own distinct opportunity. So investment income is something you can benefit from as well. So we've got employment income, benefit income, investment income, business income. Then we've also got opportunities. You'll just find that some opportunities to make money don't fit in the aforementioned categories. And we've actually got a small selection of opportunities to earn money that we'll share with you if you speak to our team. Now, the final one, number six, and this one is one that people rarely ever consider until it's actually too late. Don't be one of those people. I know that when this video is done, you're going to be one of those people. So don't be one of those people. But the last one itself is what we call inheritance income. So that's when we start talking about estate planning, something that you need to do for yourself and that your loved ones need to do as well. Look, don't mess it up. You need to do it. You need to look into it. Speak to our team and we'll give you more information. So given these six different income categories, you need to make sure that with your financial plan, you take all six into account. Feel free to speak to someone in our team and we'll make sure that you make various considerations so that you can maximize your wealth. Thank you very much. Money Mike, your wealth and business consultant, wishing you all the best. God bless.